Azreal is the current and some would say the greatest supreme Grand Master of the Dark Angel Space Marine chapter in the 41st millennium. In this role he is not only their military commander but the protector of their honour and the shield of their souls. Azreal also carries the honorific chapter title of Keeper of the Truth. Azreal recently made the decision to cross the Rubicon Primaris and undergo the painful transformation to become a Primaris Space Marine. Following in the mighty footsteps of their gene father of the Dark Angels, the Primarch Lion L. Johnson, Azreal understands full well the tremendous heritage and duty of his station as the commander of what remains of the Emperor's First Legion. He alone is privy to the darkest secrets of the chapter, and it is his honour to lead the quest for the Dark Angel's redemption. Grim of demeanour, possessed of deep conviction and unwavering purpose, Azreal is the epitome to which the Dark Angels aspire. Yet never does Azreal lose sight of the Dark Angel's secret agenda. Even in the midst of a life or death battle, the chapter's hunt for the fallen angels always continues. This hidden agenda is always at the forefront of the Azreal's keen mind, even as he plans the next battle or reviews the next sector to be brought under surveillance. In this, he guides not only his chapter, but all the Unforgiven. That all the Dark Angel's successor chapters follow Azreal's directives on many matters is more than mere deference towards a founding chapter, and implies a unity of purpose that frequently crosses the line of one of the most important tenets of the Codex Astartes, that there be no reformation of the ancient Space Marine legions. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.